Okay, so we are going to look at this problem. I want to remind you, we are graphing it, so there are a couple things that need to be done. First thing we've talked about is doing the description of the transformations first. And reminder, the reason we do that is it just kind of helps us when we go to make the table. So it doesn't matter the order in which they give it to us, I do transformations first. So see if you agree with me. For this one, there are three transformations that are taking place. We've got this 2 out in front, we've got this, and we've got this. So we're going to start with our stretch or shrink. In this case, the 2 out in front is a vertical stretch. So we're going to say f of x stretch vertically by 2. Okay, remember we talked about stretches and shrinks first. Second, the order is up to you because these are translations. So then I'm going to say f of x translated right 2 units and up 1 unit. Okay? From there, we're going to graph. So let's see how this is going to work. Because this graph, the A value is positive, this is going to be opening up. So I'm going to need a lot of room opening up. I don't need any room opening down. So this point right here, reminder, this point, these transformation points, they're also your H and your K. So in this case, our HK is 2, 1. In this case, that's going to be my vertex. So I'm going to plot that first, and then I'll make my graph. So that's going to be the lowest point on the graph here. Okay, so let's make our table. This is going to be a 3-column table. Now reminder, because this is vertical, we are doing a vertical stretch. That means we are taking y and we are multiplying it by 2 because it's a vertical. If it was horizontal, we'd be taking x and multiplying it by some number. So my table is going to look something like this. Let's use our typical numbers. So I'm going to use -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Our base function, our parent function, reminder, is just f of x equals x squared. So I'm going to square all those numbers. So 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. And then I'm going to apply the stretch. So I'm going to multiply all the y values by 2. From there, we're ready to graph. Reminder, this is my x's, this is my y's, and I'm going to treat this point right here, I'm going to treat it like it's 0, 0. So I'm kind of imagining, or you can do it really lightly if you want to, I'm kind of imagining there's a coordinate grid going right through there. So I'm going to plot my graph using the table that I found. So 0, 0 is already plotted. I'm going to do 1, 2, and its partner on the other side. I'm going to do the point 2, 8. I can't see it. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, and its partner on the other side. So when you're finished, the graph will look like that.